In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by opening an app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background. Then you can either use this icon between a padlock and scissors, or click on the icon of an app and tap on Freeform in the pop-up. Wherever you decided, after you click, you'll be able to use your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you are drag it too far though, your app will go back to standard size. Just something to remember. To minimize it, use this button at the top left corner and then open it by clicking on the bubble. To use your app in full screen view, use those two arrows or drag it down like I just showed you. And to close it, you can either swipe it in the background or you can click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!